Hey everyone, good Sunday morning. We've got sausage, biscuits, and gravy on, and we're gonna do some burgers and get them ready for lunch. So we have about 3 pounds of ground beef, and we're gonna use 2 eggs in here. Now every time there's one egg, there's the other egg. Every time I make my burgers or meatloaf, everybody raves about them. They're super simple. So I put a package of Lipton onion soup in it. Sprinkle with some Montreal steak seasoning. Now you want to be careful with this because it is very peppery, but it also has a lot of salt in it. So we're just going to put some of this in here, and we're going to skip the salt and pepper to it. We're going to add some granulated garlic. And this is just what my heart tells me as far as measurements. It's just in my blood and in my heart. I don't really have measurements, so whatever's good for you. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning, not a whole lot. We don't want it to be a meatloaf, we want it to be a burger, but we just still want some of that in there. So, I don't know, about a tablespoon. And we're gonna cook these on the grill, but even on the grill or inside, I like to add just a dash of liquid smoke. Don't wanna add too much of this. It gives it that fake taste, and it's very awful tasting if you add too much. Normally I would add a packet of dry Italian dressing mix. I don't have it, so I'm going to use my dry Greek dressing. I think that would be better than the ranch, but the ranch might be good too. So we're going to try something new, and we're going to do the Greek this time. We're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire, and then we're going to mix this all up and form our patties. Oh, and I forgot, we need to add breadcrumbs. I like to use the seasoned breadcrumbs, and we're not going to use a ton. We just want to give it a little bit of form, but we don't want it to be like bread. So, I don't know, 1/4 cup. So I like to use some parchment paper on here. It's not really necessary, but I like my Cuisinart tray. I have red ones for the raw meat, and I have a black one for the cooked meat. So I'm just going to put this here, and we're going to mix this all together, and then we're going to form our patties. Now, a little secret recipe that I like to do sometimes as well is I will add bacon bits in here. Oh, but I have fresh bacon that we're going to use on top this time. And I like to put shredded cheese in here to make them like a bacon cheeseburger. Let the cheese cook inside, and you can also add the bacon and cheese right on top as well. All right, folks, so there you have it. We have 10, I only have 8 buns, but we have 10 burgers. We're going to put these in the refrigerator and let that marinate in there until we're ready to grill them tonight. Oh, we got our buns up there toasted. Getting nice and toasty. Get ready to get. They're good? Oh yeah, look at that. They're good. Perfection. Look at that nice spatula. Go Steelers. Good burgers. Oh, yeah. Hear that itty bit, dog. Listen to them sizzle. That's why I'm not talking, because you can hear them sizzling. Oh, Oh, yum. Got 10 of them in 8 buns, but whatever. Oh yeah. Flame better than BK. I get to have it my way and flame broiled. In the finished version. Oh, do they not look good? With these nice toasted onion buns. Got some bacon and tomatoes. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like below.